Hi! What are you doing? That was funny. Look at all this mess with your blocks. Did you dump that whole thing out so you could put that on your head? Goofy. Let's go in the living room. Balls? Where's your balls? Let's go get the ball pit. Show it to Mama. Mama, take that off your head, buddy. Hey, where you going?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye? Get your horsey? William!
Bye.
Yay! Bouncy, bouncy. Get in your balls.
Ba. 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 Ah.
Ah!
Ba.
You're so silly.
Ah.
Hi! No, you can't have the camera. All these toys, and you'd rather play with the box?
Ba.
Box.
Baza.
You can't have this.
Mama.
Yeah? Hey, William. Say, Ashley?
Aza.
Say, Erica?
Aza.
Ashley again. Erica? Fur. You're not gonna say people's names? How about Opa? Opa?
Anna.
Nana? Nana, I'll get a kick out of that. Say Opa? Say Dada? Da. Grandma?
Opa.
Opa! There you go. Opa number 1. Come on. Do it. Opa.
Appa. Appa.
Yeah.
Appa.
How about Dada?
Dada.
Hand that to Mommy. You're not supposed to have that. Give it to Mommy. No, give that one to Mommy too. Yeah. Come here. Hey, Boo Boo. Could you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye? Alright, bye-bye. Mommy's going. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, you're gonna go to the door?